Timcat's getting old. I broke my driver's side mirror yesterday backing out of my garage. Got caught on the side of the door there. So I went on Amazon. 24 hours later, I got the replacement mirror. Let's time it and see how long it takes Timcat to replace that. I don't know if I'm on camera or not properly. Made in Taiwan. Make sure it's the right one. It goes this way. Perfect. Last time I changed one of these, all I needed was a screwdriver. It'll probably take me longer to clean up the glass. So far, so good. Try to pry this out without getting glass all over my garage floor. I'll have to dig out the leaf blower and blow it out. That's pretty easy, eh? Most people don't know that on these Chevys, that you just pop the old one out and put the new one in. I actually took a company van. It was a Savannah. I think it was a 2009. Took it to a local repair shop here in town. And I think he quoted me something like $500 or $600. So I phoned the GM dealer in the next town over. I drive through there anyway. And I asked the guy at the counter, and I ordered this. And I literally changed it out in the parking lot. I think it was like at a dealer around 40 bucks. I can't remember how much I paid for this. I don't think you even need a tool to put it back in. You just line it up. I think. I can't remember how to do this. Those little tabs. There we go. I think those little tabs. Huh. Easier to take it out than it is to put the... They gotta line up somehow. I think these little titties here have to line up with those little things that like the little titties. So I'll line up those two. Or do you turn it and then lock it in? I don't know. I've only done this once before. I don't want to break the new mirror. Maybe you put this on and then you turn and lock it in. Let's try this again. That one lines up, that one lines up. There's a risk of breaking it if I have to press too hard. Huh. What the heck? Wow. That's giving me some grief. I think maybe this is as tight as it needs to be. Do I take this off first and put it on here and then snap this whole thing in? I think so. I'm going to pause the camera. I think I'm doing this wrong. It looks like I probably should take this ring out by undoing these, install the ring, and then there's only the two clips that I have to worry about. Let's try that. Well, there you have it. I screwed up on the camera, so I didn't catch it on video. I didn't have to pop the old ring out or anything like that. What I did, because you heard it squeaking and stuff, it was pretty dry. I gave the ring a little squirt of WD-40, and boom, it snapped in real easy, just like that. Wished I caught it on camera. I was actually tempted to pop the new one out and demonstrate how I did that. Just a little squirt on the ring, and the new one snaps in real easy.